Imagine 5 people are in a room. 4 of them earn a normal salary, around $45,000 a year. The 5th person is a CEO who makes $5 million. If you calculate the mean salary, what most of us call the average, it comes out to over $1 million. Does that sound typical? Of course not. This is the classic outlier trap, and it shows why we need more than just one way to find the center of a set of numbers. The mean, calculated by adding everything up and dividing, is powerful but easily misled. That one CEO's salary completely distorted the picture for everyone else. So, what's a more honest number? Enter the median. The median is the true middle value. If you line up those 5 salaries in order from smallest to largest, the one smack in the middle is $45,000. That feels much more representative, right? It ignores the extreme outlier. This is exactly why you always hear about the median house price, not the average. It prevents a few mega mansions from skewing the data. Finally, there's the mode. This is the simplest of all. It's just the value that appears most often. The mode is the only tool that works for things that aren't numbers. You can't calculate the average eye color, but you can find the mode, the most common one. It's perfect for inventory, like stocking the most popular shoe size, or for figuring out the winner of a vote. So, a quick rule of thumb: use the mean for school grades, where every point counts. Use the median for money, like salaries and house prices, to get the true picture. And use the mode to find out what's most popular. Knowing the difference lets you see the real story the numbers are telling.